Since you all have the senses, I'll quickly share news on the Thailand-Cambodia dispute. The Cambodian military shot down a Thai drone, though the method used hasn't been disclosed. Since the drone is larger than typical ones, it's important to learn how they brought it down. Fighting persists near Churin's Prasadakai and Sisaket's Phumakeo. The Cambodian military continues bombardments with BM-21 rocket launchers targeting civilian areas in Gunsem, mainly in Sakaeo province. So far, it has been confirmed that 20 Thai soldiers have died due to the clashes, and one more was killed in action during a mission. In total, 21 soldiers have lost their lives in the fighting so far. The situation in the Prasatakai area is especially serious, with many casualties and 2 soldiers still trapped as rescue efforts continue. In Poipet, the Thai military attacked after noticing unusual movements, reportedly destroying a Cambodian BM-21 rocket launcher. The Thai military launched an airstrike on Cambodian Poipet, a city next to Thailand, causing black smoke to rise. An airstrike by a Thai F-16 fighter jet destroyed a truck warehouse in Poipet. Numerous videos from Poipet are being uploaded as Thai military airstrikes continue, with many citizens posting footage. It appears that there are still criminal organizations run by Chinese people. These Chinese individuals have raised the Chinese flag to avoid being targeted by airstrikes. This is in Banteay, Meanchey province. The Thai military used F-16 fighter jets to carry out airstrikes on Cambodian military bases and armories in Banteay, Meanchey province, Cambodia. This is Banteay, Meanchey province. You can see citizens who were startled by the Thai military's airstrikes. The Thai military attacked the Cambodian military base located here. Again, this is Banteay, Meanchey province. The Thai military conducted several airstrikes here. This shows the Thai military engaged in combat. They are operating M42 Duster self-propelled anti-aircraft guns and M1919 machine guns. These are Thai soldiers. The Thai military captured Cambodian positions and seized QJG-89 machine guns and 120mm mortars. Cambodian soldiers fired several rockets at Thai positions. During this process, checkmate RM-70 Grad multiple rocket launchers were used. Here, Cambodian soldiers are attacking Thai positions with Chinese-made 40mm LG-6 grenade launchers. These are Thai soldiers. The Thai military reinforced their BTR-3E1 armored vehicles with wooden logs. As I mentioned before, the Thai military also attach logs to the sides of their M113 armored vehicles. It seems this method is effective. A PF-89 anti-tank rocket fired by the Cambodian military hit the M113 armored vehicle directly, but the wooden logs absorbed the impact and minimized the damage. This Thai-operated oil drilling facility had an unidentified drone spotted, prompting the Thai Navy to quickly deploy aircraft to respond. They couldn't shoot down the drone, but the situation is now safe and under control. The Thai military recently explained their military operations targeting casinos and criminal complexes. The Thai military emphasized that all targets attacked were military objectives. These included not only casinos and scammers, but also combat personnel, weapons, and military equipment. Sayasak Phuhankengkeo, Thai foreign minister, visited Japan from December 1820, 2025 to discuss the Thailand-Cambodia border dispute. He emphasized that Thailand did not provoke the conflict. He said Cambodia showed interest in ceasefire talks but must prove real commitment to peace, including an actual ceasefire. Thailand's chief of naval operations said the defense committee will meet Thursday to consider a 12-day maritime control zone along 5 provinces' coasts to stop Thai ships from carrying oil and war materials to Cambodia. Thailand and Cambodia agreed to send an Association of Southeast Asian Nations monitoring team to help reduce tensions. Prime Minister Anwar of Malaysia announced that Thailand and Cambodia will join the December 22 Malaysia Association of Southeast Asian Nations meeting to ease border tensions and prevent future clashes. It appears that China has begun efforts to end the dispute between Thailand and Cambodia. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi spoke by phone Thursday with Cambodia's Deputy Prime Minister Prak Sokhonn and Thailand's Foreign Minister Siaksan Khuongkengkeo. Both Cambodia and Thailand explained the recent situation of the Cambodia-Thailand border clashes to Minister Wang and expressed their willingness to ease tensions and implement a ceasefire. If there is more news, I will make a video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you.